another video. So today we are going to be taking a look at starting with Bitcoin. We will then move on to Link, XRP, AVAX, and DYDX. So starting off with Bitcoin, we can take a look at what we see what's happening with price. So as we see properly, price did have a huge major move downwards in one quick candle with a huge wick. Problem with this is sometimes I don't really consider big wicks because they are just too short of a time frame. But I'm sure in the 1 or 5 minute they actually do complete the candle in some sort of way. And if we actually do take a look at it, we can consider this actually a price break going down to the bottom with a price going up just exactly in time to be able to mitigate. Now from here we are hoping for a move downwards because that's what we are looking at in a selling perspective of this box method. By the way, I think I did forget to mention that today we are going to be doing price prediction, daily updates, and of course future predictions and probability analysis on the following coins such as Bitcoin, Link, XRP, AVAX, and DYDX. So with Bitcoin specifically, I personally think if this is the all-time high, then we're gonna definitely expect a short. So I would short from here with stops right there. So if it breaks that high, then I would exit the trade, but I do think it's gonna sell from here on out. Then we can move on to the Link anyways. So for Bitcoin, I'm definitely seeing a projection downwards. In terms of Link, we see price breakout, come back in, tested all the way down here, and from here now we are expecting it to actually go in upwards direction too, because I think if I'm not mistaken yesterday, what was it, around here we left off, so price did come all the way down for a retest, but it is looking like definitely price movement towards the upside. Taking a look at XRP is definitely looking okay, so this is definitely okay. Yeah, I remember this specific situation. This point was actually a downward breakthrough. XRP price movement is actually very fluctuating. It never really goes in one specific direction. There's always not more than maybe 5 consecutive of the same candle, because as you can see it's moving very, very funny. There's always a sell by, so it's always impossible to know when to start, which is why now we've reached ourselves with the break of structure, which now signifies that we have to be able to know where to start. So I'm thinking of this sell here before the buy upwards. So I mean, it's clearly going to be in a positive movement upwards. The same with Link, if I'm not mistaken, right? Link is looking upwards. Bitcoin's looking downwards, but let's just see, I guess. Which signifies that from this specific point, let me box it up, we're definitely looking at a mitigation 40-50% and then a price move back up from there, because if price keeps just shooting upwards, it's not necessarily going to end up where we would like it to. Anybody that rode that one, that's a huge trade for them. I mean, it's almost like a 10% move just from here to here. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so now with AVAX. Okay, AVAX seems to have a break of structure as well, because if you see properly, I'll mark it out for you. Right here, price broke on the upside and broke downside, which means now we need to just look for the next one. Next one I'm definitely taking a look at is this sell here. Sell, and we're expecting a buy. So now with that buy, if price does come back down to test, we can expect it to shoot upwards, because it basically already did break price structure. I mean box structure, sorry. And with that being said, we just have to keep on waiting it out, but AVAX is definitely looking at a positive buy side in my opinion at this point in time. So we're just hoping for a little bit of a sell, just for a bigger retest, for a good entry point, and only then are we going to enter. So with DYDX, okay, so price seems to be breaking downwards, coming back in for a retest somewhere now. So maybe we can expect price to hit somewhere around the 50% here or here. Then price will come hopefully in this area and retest and shoot downwards even better, because that's just how price is supposed to be moving in a specific box method. And of course, then right after that, you're supposed to drop your next box, which will set up yourself for the next trade. As soon as you see a peak in the box, that's how quick as that, you really want to mark out your box, because just by doing that, you'll be able to know what exactly are you expecting out of this trade. Anyway, so of course I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will do of course like and subscribe if you did enjoy. I will be definitely seeing you guys in the next one. I will be uploading a lot so that you guys can be keeping yourself up to date along with myself, and hopefully being able to learn. And it goes more than just copying my trades and telling entry points and all of that, because I would like you guys to hopefully be able to implement some of my trading methods to your own trades. That way you will be able to mature as traders, and hopefully whatever your end goal is, being funded or whatever, it will definitely be achievable. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.